What is your name, lost boy?
Lewis.
Lewis. Lewis. I believe that's a old native Indian name. It means man with tiny penis. I am Jimmy. Greek for colossal cock. Let us begin. First, may you cross my palm with silver.
I haven't got any.
First, cross my palm with a credit or debit card.
Will that one do?
Thank you. I'll do that later. Right, Lewis. Little penis Lewis. I want you to relax. I want you to close your eyes. Close your eyes. I want you to relax. Imagine the sounds of the ocean. Sounds like whale sounds. Like you relaxed?
A little bit.
Good. Good. Let's start by reading your palms. I want you to hold out your palms like that. Let's read them, shall we? Yeah, that's fine. Nothing wrong with that. Good to go. Let's move on. Let's consult the mystic ball. I can't afford a crystal ball at the moment, so I've got the mystic disco ball. Let's see what it says. Have you got any friends called Dave?
Yeah, I have.
Sing colour blue. Blue. Does that mean something to you? Blue.
No, not really.
Blue. Think about it. Blue.
No.
That's it. Blue.
So, Chelsea playing
Yes.
blue. Chelsea.
So,
Play supporting
toothbrush. I'm getting a. Have you ever used a toothbrush?
that. Everyone uses
Yes.
a toothbrush.
Thank you.
Special about that, everyone uses a bloody toothbrush.
Have you played the lottery today?
I have, yeah.
You don't win.
Oh.
What about that girl you fancy at work?
Oh, Michelle, yeah, she's really fit.
You've always dreamed of marrying her.
Yeah, definitely. God.
It doesn't happen.
Wouldn't. Oh,
She's just been hit by a truck.
What now?
Hit by a truck. What about? You've always wanted a son. I'm getting a son. You've always wanted a son.
Can't remember thinking about it myself, but yeah, you know, I wouldn't mind.
No, it doesn't happen. No. 3 daughters. You get 3 daughters. I can hear your grandma calling from beyond. She wants to speak to you.
She's in Tesco's. She's down the road in Tesco's.
Your great grandma. I can hear your great grandma calling from the other side. She has something she wants to tell you.
She's dating a nursing home down the road. She's still alive.
Your great great-great-grandma. Is she in fucking Tesco's?
No, I don't know her.
Let's move the Ouija board. That's it. The Ouija board. Let's put the Ouija board. Ouija board. Old man's. It says you're fucked.
What do you mean? Fuck.
It's just what it's spelled.
This what it's. Can we do it again?
It's the tarot cards. Tarot card number 1. That's a Grim Reaper.
It's bad, isn't it?
Could mean anything. It could mean anything. It's not necessarily. Second. That's another Grim Reaper. Okay.
It's got to be bad. There's 2 of them now.
That's 2. That could be. Third card. Hat trick. There we go. 3. That could be a good thing.
Yeah, 3 Grim Reapers.
3.
It's not good, is it?
The 4th card now. God, I'm feeling. First prize at the beauty contest.
It's not bad, huh? Quite a
5th
feeling
card.
like
The 5th card is the main card. Ooh. Boom.
What's that? What's that say?
That's a picture of a man being sexually assaulted by a gang. But it doesn't literally, it could mean anything. It could be making friends.
What do you
sometime
mean?
In the future. It could be spending some time in prison, I don't know, it could be anything.
What do you mean I ain't done
Let's
nothing?
not dwell on them, let's move on.
What do you mean dwell on it?
Don't join any teams. Do you want any nibbles? I've got peanuts, Twiglets, those little cheesy crackers. What are they?
What's it?
Cheddar.
You got any Twiglets?
I've got a crunch corner in the fridge. If you want that.
No, I'm alright.
Okay. What's your star sign?
Aquarius.
Aquarius.
What are you reading it?
It's much better to be a Virgo this month, actually.
Can't do much about that. I was born in February.
Janus, Taurus. Let me consult T-Max. Fuck knows what that means.
Who's that?
It's the Mystic Sound Man.
What's he doing?
I don't know. Just go up there. He lives here. It's my house, man. My advice is you move to the mountains, you don't touch any electrical appliances, you don't smoke, you don't drink, you never cross the road again, and never masturbate with a noose over your head. That's what I've got to tell you.
Got to catch the bus home. Look at it.
So the time's up. Thanks for coming.
What?
Grab a crunch corner on the way out. Touch my hand. Thanks. Got another customer waiting, so.
Right.
Do you want any nibbles? I've got peanuts, Those look cheesy.
What's it?
Do you want some nibbles? I can do it. Some nibbles. I've got peanuts. It's a picture of a man.
Come on! Come on!